Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum.
So, we have a new student in class today. Her name is the Bear. Yeah. And she has her mala, her prayer beads, and she wants to learn the Dharma. So, Buddha Bear, first thing you do, if you want to use your prayer beads, is you have to generate a good motivation. In other words, you want to chant so that you can spread love and happiness in the world and have the motivation to really help all other beings, no matter whether you like them or not, no matter whether they're nice to you or not. You want to have a kind heart that reaches out to all of them. So that's your intention. And then you take the prayer beads in your hand, in your paw, excuse me. And each time you say a mantra, you move a prayer bead. So we're going to say the mantra of great compassion. Okay? You ready? Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum. You like that, don't you? Great. So now you know how to do it, and you can chant on your own. Yeah? You ready? Let's hear you do it. Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. You did very well, Buddha Bear. Thank you. Come back again and share the Dharma teachings with us. And put your paws together and say, Namo Amitofo. See you later.
Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Om Mani Padme Hum.
Yeah, so you need to be kind to all your friends. They're very nice to you, so be very nice back to them. If you're nice to them first, they will always be nice to you.
Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum.
Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum,